Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, welcome back to the show, everybody. We're going to put dyna beads in my customer's car. We're going to take off our Schrader cap. We're going to set that aside. I'm going to take a Schrader removal tool, which if you want, you're going to have to tell me, because I'll have to order some. I'm going to let all the air out. Okay, so I'm fighting bugs here. Set that aside. This is going to be our new one. We're not there yet. If you want to buy a kit, let me know. There's glue on that. Okay, we're going to thread this on a little bit. Okay, then we're going to take our bottle and stick that on. We're going to do a little. See, now we're stuck. So we'll take a little vibrator tool. This is about the consistency you want flowing in. It's going to take a while. Now, if you have an itchy head like I do right now, it's not good.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay. So there's that. This is just an engraving tool. Trigger on the side. I got it through Dyna Beads, but you can get them at Lowe's or Home Depot or Walmart or whatever. Just gives it a little tickle. Take the bottle off. Take our new Schrader. Put that in. Because we have the valve stems at an angle, so there's not a whole lot of chance of it hanging up. I'm going to put this in here. In. I'm going to put our double check valve on top of that. Then I'm going to go get the air hose. There's 35. And put our double seal on there. And we're going to put our cap on top of that. And this wheel is done. Okay, cap won't go on. This technically is your cap, but you can fill it through the cap. Okay, that is one wheel done. 3 more to go. Back up to the bench. We got the previous video's props, which I shot 2 minutes ago. I found some Dyna Bead dealer files on a disc. That's how old this is, how old I've been doing it. Here's the new beads versus the old beads. These turn yellow a little bit. They look smaller too. But the new ones went right in, so I'm not going to complain about that. I just need to fill my bottle back up. I found my funnel. I don't know what these are. These are beads, but I don't know if I was testing a different you can see them there or not. They look like microscopic versions of these. So I don't know. They're clear too, so it must be a different brand. Maybe I was playing with a different brand at one point. I don't know. Valve stem is just about right where I want it. So we don't even have to jack up the car. Do need to take off this plug cap. I could use these caps again, but there we go. Hang on to it. Hang on to it. I'm hoping they all go as easy as that first one did. That was nice. That was really nice. We're sitting on the ground this time, so who knows? Let's see how it goes. Oh, I gotta plug my thing in first. I gotta plug my vibrator in. There we go. Ready? We're ready. Okay. There's 6 ounces. I get a new Schrader. More spider webs. I know I'm blocking your view. Okay. That's snug. We take our new valve cap with the backup Schrader in it. Hopefully that screws right on. This one's tight. Okay. We'll get our air hose. Okay. Clip on. Fill tire right back up to 35 pounds. A little crooked, but I didn't put that in there. We're done. On to tire number 3. This one's up top, so we're going to have to jack that one up or roll the car forward, and then that one is also at the top, so I'm gonna have to jack this side up and roll the wheels around, clean up my mess. My air hose is just not cooperating with me today, and I've still got the mess from the stove to clean up. But if you watch this far through, thank you. And if you'd like to have a Dyna Bead kit of your own, custom to your car, write me, tell me what you need, and we'll make it happen. Thanks for watching.